shabaab markaan ku soo biirayay rabitaan aniga igu jiro ayuu ahaa markii uu al-shabaab waxaan u galay dhibaato la ii geystay 35 sano ayaan jiraa ها مسلم أي هاين بلالنا إنه مسلم يهاي لما ويدينيو الشباب وحل عجاي ميسان سين كلينك أورمدا مدحدا joogta ayaan xogta sii jiray wixii aan qabto iyo wixii qabsada ayaan xogtooda u gudbi jiray
This is an act of war. We can really see it. It is Oromo who is sending their people as civilian to be among us, to spy us. It is Oromo who is sending their people to fight for Al-Shabaab and send all information back to Oromia. And it is them who is invading us as a military, taking the name of Ethiopia as a cover. No, it's not Ethiopia who is attacking us. It is Oromia, the expansionist ideology group of Oromo. Their due date is within less than 27, 23, 25 days. Why are they loading all these heavy weapons back here now? Why not then? Why not then? Why not when they were giving ammo to Al-Shabaab? When they were giving C4s and everything to Al-Shabaab? Why now? Why now? Because they want to take Somalia by force. Simple. So we have to be on the right side of history. We don't bend our knees to anyone, regardless of their mass, their personality, their color, or who they are, or why they are here with us. If Oromo keeps this on, it will cost them dearly. I can guarantee you. We are ready to die for our land. And we are Somalis. We are the one who never accept to be colonized.